These are my kittens. They were just born about 2 weeks ago. There's 4 of them. They're all black, so they're hard to see. There's the mom. There. There's 4 of them right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of hard to see the blender. Then there's 2 right there and 2 right there. And there's the mom. I'm crying. Better leave them alone. That's their box. Their rope walk around. There's mom again. And there they are, all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, all together.